Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to make Wi-Fi calling on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. So guys, you can check if your device and carrier support Wi-Fi calling. Not all Android devices and carriers support Wi-Fi calling, and check with your carrier to see if they support Wi-Fi calling. If your device is compatible with it. Also guys, you can make Wi-Fi call. Once you have enabled Wi-Fi calling, you can make a call over Wi-Fi just like any other call. When you are connected to the internet, you will see internet call or Wi-Fi calling on the notification screen, and when you are not connected to Wi-Fi, your call will use your mobile carrier if you have one. So it is important to note that enabling Wi-Fi calling may incur additional charges. So check with your mobile services provider for details. Additionally, the exact steps for enabling Wi-Fi calling may vary depending on the device and carrier. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.